every single
card.
ace. One card has turned face down.
Okay, that was real magic.
That's why I knew it was gonna be free. Look. Whatever card you thought was the ace of spades, look. Boom. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 magic tricks you can do with a borrowed deck of playing cards. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go! This first one is a super easy card trick that I came up with just for this video. Check it out. Okay, Sasha, I have a really cool card trick to show you here. So I have a deck of cards and I'm going to give them a little bit of a shuffle before we get started here. Okay, now just name any number of cards that you want.
6.
6. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then name any number of cards again.
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. And then name any number of cards again.
1.
Just 1?
Just 1.
Alright, so 1 there. And then name any number of cards again.
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you could have named any number of cards for each of these 4 stacks, right? That was a fair choice, free choice for you. So we see all these cards are different here. Yep, could stop at any one of those, right?
Right.
So check it out. We turn over each card on top of the piles. It's interesting because you stopped on every single ace. Pretty cool, huh?
Are these all aces?
No. Random cards.
Let me see. Okay. I thought that was a pile of aces. Okay, that was real magic.
Okay, Ava, I have a little birthday card trick for you. It's Ava's 11th birthday today. Make sure you guys wish her a happy birthday in the comments. It's actually October 9th. Her birthday was October 8th, but you guys wish her a happy birthday. I have a little birthday card trick for you. So I have a deck of cards here, as you can see. So you just pick any cards you want. It's a free choice. That one right there. Make sure you show it to the camera so that they can get a good look at it. Perfectamundo. Go ahead and put it back anywhere in the deck that you would like. Just slide it right in there. Perfect, okay? Square it up like this. Okay, now look. I'm actually going to do this trick behind my back. No way I can see what's going on, right? So I'm gonna see if I can find your card a bit of a unique way. Watch. It's done, look. So the deck looks normal, but check this out. If I turn them like this, and I spread through the cards, like this, you can see one card has turned face down, just like that. All the rest of the cards still face up. Check this out. Pull that card out. Show it to the camera. Is that your card? Really cool card trick here. I have a bunch of cards spread out down here on the table. Now cameraman Eric is going to help me out with this trick. Just point to whatever card feels like the ace of spades to you, whichever one. This one right here, okay. So check this out. I'm going to show you at the end of the trick. Let's see, pick out the 3 of clubs, okay. Whichever one feels like the 3 of clubs. This one right here, okay. So check it out. Now I'm going to pick out a card. I'm going to pick out the 6 of spades. Just 3 random cards here. I think this might be the 6 right here. So check it out. At the beginning of the trick, I had you choose the ace of spades. Whatever card you thought was the ace of spades, look. Boom. And then the 3 of clubs. And then I chose the 6 of spades. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to teach you how to do this at home. Okay, Ava, I have a really cool card trick to show you. So I have a deck of cards here. You can mix these up if you want. That way you know there's no trickery involved and set the deck up any certain kind of way. Now I'm going to have you go through and choose a card. So if you want to hand them back to me, fan them out like this for you. You just go in and choose any card you want. Perfect. Get it locked in your mind. Show it to the camera. I'll look away. Got it? Do me a favor, say stop wherever you want. We're going to put it back in the deck. Put it back. There. Okay, the rest of the cards go on top. Your card lost inside the deck. Do you believe that your card is lost somewhere about middle of the deck?
Yes.
It's actually not though. It's actually right on top of the deck.
What?
Right there.
That is my card.
So watch the 8. It'll go right. That's definitely middle, right? Or it goes inside, right? You can see. Now you think of any number between like 5 and 15. Any number between 5 and 15. 8. All right, hold out your hand like this. We're gonna count 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm gonna take the rest of the deck. I'm gonna put it in my pocket, okay? Hold your hand just like this, pinch, and you're gonna pinch the edge of these cards just like that. Perfect, just like that. All right, now watch. You can see this happen. You ready? Think about your card. The 8 of hearts. Nice.
How did you do that?
All right, one more. So I'm gonna shuffle these up like this. Here, you wanna mix them? You can mix them as much as you want.
Don't really know how to shuffle, but you can
That's all right.
keep going.
Do what you can do. You got it? There you go. All right, you feel like those are pretty well mixed there?
Yes.
All right, so I would have no way of knowing like what card is where, but I'm gonna make a prediction right now that you stop on the 7 of diamonds, okay? So I'm gonna go through the cards like this. You say stop whenever you want.
Okay. Now.
Right there, 7 of diamonds, look. Isn't that crazy?
How?
Look, try again. This one you're gonna stop on the 3 of clubs, okay? So whenever you want.
Stop.
Right there?
Yes.
Boy, you didn't let me go far at all. That's why I knew it was gonna be the 3. Look. Isn't that crazy? Look, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna teach you and you how to do that at home. All right, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. The secrets to these card tricks are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. Okay, here is the secret to the Magic 4 Aces trick. Now, once you learn this technique, you'll be able to do it anytime, anywhere. You can do this with a borrowed deck. You just need a little bit of setup. They can even shuffle it. You just need to take it back from them and just very casually go through like this and work the 4 aces of the deck to the bottom of the deck. That's your only setup. Now, you're going to execute what's known as a base deal or a bottom deal. This is sometimes a gambling maneuver. Someone who's trying to cheat at playing cards might do this.
A hanger, Sarge. But what? A hanger? What are you saying? I don't even know what you're saying.
He's saying you're dealing off the bottom of the deck.
Now the key is getting the base deal to look like a top deal. You're just going to practice dealing cards from the top and switching it up and dealing from the bottom. You want the moves to look very similar to where you can't tell the difference. And you might mess up sometimes. That's why you want to practice it. So you're just going to alternate back and forth like top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. So no matter what number they say, let's say they think of 7 here, you just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on the 7th card, you're gonna base deal the ace right on top. And then you can show the rest of the deck, show that they're not all aces or anything like that. They can even check out the cards underneath. Everything is inspectable. Super easy trick that you can do with a borrowed deck of cards. And that's an Evan Era original. Here is the secret to finding a card behind your back. You can really have them pick any card they want. It really is a free choice. They pick out any card they want. Let's say they pick out this one right here, the Queen of Hearts. When their attention is on this card and you see their eyes go to this card, that is your misdirection to flip the deck of cards over so that they're face up like this, and you're just going to flip the top card face down just like that. And you're going to tell them to put their card back wherever they want. So they're going to put the card back in face down just like this, take the deck behind your back just like this. You're simply going to flip this top card back to its original position just like this. So now the entire deck is normalized except for their card, which they slid in face down. So now you're in a perfect position when you come out from behind your back to just spread these cards out on the table in front of you. Call attention to the one card that you have turned face down in the deck. They pull it out and it is invariably their selected card. Here is the secret to the Magic 3 card trick. This is probably my favorite impromptu card trick of all time. You can take a borrowed deck that's been shuffled up. When they hand the deck back to you, all you have to do is peek the bottom card. Then you're going to take the cards and spread them out on the table and just make sure you keep track of that bottom card. We're going to ask them to pick out the 4 of Hearts. Chances are they're not going to pick the 4 of Hearts. If they do pick the 4 of Hearts, you have them immediately turn it over and that's an amazing trick, and you end it there. Chances are they're going to pick a card that's not the 4 of hearts. They're going to pick this card, which is the 7 of diamonds. Now, you're not going to show it to them yet. You're going to hold that facing you, and you're going to say, wow, that's awesome. Let me have you try this one more time. And you're going to then tell them to pick out whatever card this is, the 7 of diamonds. If they then pick the 4 of hearts, then we end the trick there by you picking up that card, and we end by showing the 2 cards they just picked out. But chances are they're not going to pick this. They're going to pick another random card. Let's say they pick this, the 4 of clubs. And you're going to say, wow, that was awesome. Now I'm going to pick out whatever card this was. You say the 4 of clubs now. And then you just pick up your initial card, the 4 of hearts. This is the last one you're going to pick up. Shuffle these back into this position, and then simply show the 2 cards they pick and the 1 card you pick. An easy impromptu card miracle that anyone can do. Try it out. Here's the secret to leaving your spectator holding only 1 card as you slap the rest of the deck out of their hand. So this is not a force, it's a free choice. You have them pick any card in the deck. You can have them sign the card if you want. You then have them put it back in the deck, and all you have to do is control that card to the top however you want. Once you have the card on top of the deck, you're then going to tell the spectator to name any number of cards they want. You then deal that number of cards down onto the table and set the rest of the cards aside. Now what's key about that move is that you've put their card on the bottom of the deck. You're going to tell them to pinch it in their hand just like this, but tell them not to hold it too tightly. And then all you're going to do is slap the cards right here, and it's going to knock all the cards out of their hand except for the bottom card. It's because more of the surface area of the card is being contacted by the bottom of their finger, so that's going to be the only card left. You can then tell them to slowly turn their hand over. It's very dramatic, awesome moment when they turn it over and see that it is indeed their card. Try that at home and fool your friends and family. Here's how you can predict what card they will stop on every single time. This is one of the first card tricks I ever learned. So all you're going to do is go through the deck of cards like this, and they can say stop whenever they want to. It really doesn't matter when they say stop. And then all you're going to do is pull the bottom card of the deck with your thumb. I'm going to pull these cards on top while at the same time pulling the 7 from the bottom. Say I predict that no matter where you stop, it will be on the 7 of hearts. You then go through the deck like this. This is the position that you want, going through with the middle finger like this and the thumb right underneath on the bottom card. They say stop whenever they want. Wherever they say, you just pull that bottom card, and it is invariably the 7 of hearts or whatever card is on the bottom of the deck. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. Be sure to head over to evaneratv.com. That is our online shop. The link for that is in the description of this video. We have a lot of decks of cards and really cool card tricks that you can't find anywhere else. We ship everything worldwide, so no matter where you are in the world, you can get a big box of magic shipped to your doorstep. Head over to the link in the description at evaneratv.com. Perfect gifts to bring some magic for the holidays. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 5 random card tricks from evaneratv.com. If you want to win a free trick, all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be going through the comment section, reading all of your comments, and picking 5 lucky winners. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen right here in order to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to anyone entering this giveaway drawing. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.